Hello all, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to learn about different like accessing Task Manager and how to call different applications using Task Manager using VBA. So the topics to be covered are accessing the Task Manager, as I said, and accessing different tasks. So without wasting time, let's get back to the Excel. So I'm using the same sheet as we have promised it for the rest of the sessions before. So I've created just to save time, I've created a subroutine wherein I have written a code. Let me explain you what it is and how does it go for. So here you can see we have created some objects, some variables as objects. You can see I have declared some variables as object. So there's a variable objwmi. Then there's another variable process, and there's another variable obj processes. So there's a difference between these two. So we are going to use these two variables for two different purposes. So let me tell you the first variable. So the first variable tells us that set object WMI. It says get object win management colon double slash dot. What this means is win management is a Windows management tool, which means you are accessing this task manager. So this task manager is nothing but is called as a win management, which is Windows management. And then you are accessing all elements from this Windows manager, which means you are accessing all these processes from the task manager tool. So now what does it mean is this objwmi is now having data for all these processes, all these open and running processes in my task manager. Next is set processes. So I've created a variable as object, and what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to write a query on this particular object to find out the element. So I can write a query, or I can just access a, like, if I have the name ready with me, the proper name, the proper task name, I can pass that task name over here as well. But here a good practice is to have a particular to write a query over here in this particular section. So here if we can say like select star from this particular select star where the process name equals to, I can say like this Cisco WebEx meeting. So all the instances of these Cisco WebEx meeting will be generated or will be taken in a particular object. So we'll see that thing, like how to take that particular objects into, or how to take all these processes in a particular variable or in a particular object, and how to access them in the next session. But for now, so this is how we can access the Windows management, which is a task manager, and this is how you can write a query and try to execute it. It's just a statement, or it's just a function which says exeq query, which will execute the query on its own. This is a built-in function in VBA. So that's all I have for this particular video. In the next video, we'll see how to access these elements using that particular query. We'll write one query for closing all the open instances of Internet Explorer, and we'll try to close those instances using the Windows management, which is that VBA, that task manager from VBA. So till then, thank you.